Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can set alarm ringtone in your Mi Note 13 5G smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to simply open your settings, then click on display, and you have to just click on sound and vibration. Click on alarm and you will see there are lots of alarm ringtones here. You can select any one of them, and if you can also set custom also. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.